In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Slack. This is a simple and powerful way to create automatic alerts whenever a new row is added to a spreadsheet. Instead of checking your sheet manually, you can have Slack send a message to a channel in real time. This is especially useful for things like new leads, form submissions, feedback, or internal tracking updates. The best part is that you can set this up in just a few minutes using Zapier with no coding required. To begin, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on your dashboard, click the orange button that says Create Zap. This opens the automation builder. In the first block labeled Trigger, search for Google Sheets and select it from the app list. Then in the App and Event dropdown, choose New Spreadsheet Row and continue. Next, you'll need to connect your Google account, click Sign In, choose the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to use, approve the permissions, and continue. After that, set up the trigger by choosing the correct spreadsheet from the drop-down menu, then select the specific worksheet or tab where your data is being added. Once that's mapped correctly, click Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in a recent sample row from your sheet so you can use it as a reference for the rest of the setup. When the sample looks right, continue with the selected record. Now it's time to set up Slack as the action step. Open the second block labeled Action, search for Slack, and select it. In the Event dropdown, choose Send Channel Message, then Continue. You'll now connect your Slack workspace. Click Sign In, authorize access, and return to Zapier. In the Action setup, choose the Slack channel where you want the messages to appear. Then, in the message text box, build your alert using data from the Google Sheets sample. For example, you can include a customer name, contact email, and project details pulled directly from the spreadsheet. If your sheet contains personal information, be careful about what you include in a public or shared Slack channel. You can also set the message to send as a bot and choose a simple bot name for a cleaner presentation. When everything is configured, scroll down and click Test Step. Then check your Slack channel to confirm that the message appears correctly and that the formatting looks the way you want. If it does, go back to Zapier and switch the automation from draft to publish. Once it's live, every new row added to that Google Sheet will automatically send a formatted message to Slack. That's it, and thanks for watching.